Good morning. Today is 8th October and we are in Zurich, Switzerland. Our program is to visit Rain Falls and the dry chocolate factory of Lindt. We have come by our rent-a-car vehicle. This vehicle, Sora will show you the vehicle. The vehicle is driven by my son, Sogato. He has got Europe driving license. You see, this is the car, and this side is the rainfall. You
cannot see because of the bush.
Because of some trees, you cannot see fully. I will try to show you a better view. Thank you. Good morning. We are in front of the rainfall. You can have a better view of the rainfall. From here, you see this is the rainfall. You can see
very beautiful view.
Thank you.
Next we are going on a lower level and slowly we would be going down to the boat, to that boat, and then we will go very much in front. Thank you.
Good morning. This is another point of view from of the rainfall. You can see the rainfall. Rainfall. Thank you.
বেশি জুম করছে না, 4 অবধি যাচ্ছে না।
শেষ কর বেশি বড় ভিডিও করিস না।
Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon. We are now going for the boat ride. The boat will take us very near to the rainfall. So I will show you the video of the rainfall from near the boat. Thank you. Good afternoon. We are on the boat. We are taking the ride to view the rainfall from very near. Maybe the sprinkle of water will make us wait, but this is the thrilling experience. Let us go for the ride to the rainfall. Thank you. Good afternoon. We are going very close and further close to the rainfall, where from the water sprinkle will make us wait, at least partially. The boat is turning towards the rainfall. You can see people are taking very close look at the rainfall. Now you see the rainfall.
You will see the rainfall in 5 more minutes because difficult to capture. Boat is turning.
You see, the water is coming with heavy force and
rainfall is going down. Thank you.
Thank you.
অফ করবো যখন ভালো করে শুরু।
Here we are having the sprinkles of water in our body. You can see the rainfall from very close. This is coming very close. Water goes and sprinkles of water.
Thank you. The screen is getting very wet. Oh my god, this waterfall is very magnificent. As you can see, very beautiful up close, and oh my god, everything is getting wet. Oh my god, you can see so much water vapor. Wow, just beautiful. Thank you. The boat is turning very quickly. Wow, very beautiful, very beautiful, super magnificent.
Thank you.
Lower the brightness for you to see better. It is very bright, but you won't be able to see. That's why I have to lower it down. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! So much water! Oh! Thank you!
Good afternoon. We are at the Lindt chocolate factory the famous, world famous chocolate manufacturer. You can see the big factory, and here it is a real chocolate filled fountain. You can see a fountain filled with real chocolate, and inside several chocolates are manufactured. We are going for a tour of the chocolate factory. We can taste any type of chocolate in the tour. This will be a good experience. Thank you. This is the lindt chocolate factory. Cocoa is grinding. This is a machine that shows how cocoa is grinded. You can see the process. It is grinded into fine powder and then form the chocolate. This is the process. Thank you. We are in the lindt shop, which is within the chocolate factory, lindt chocolate factory. We are in lindt shop. You can see lindt chocolate here.
Lot of chocolate and this hard chocolate packs. Then this inside is full of
Hips, you saw
chocolate.
these hips.
Entirety till all over there. Then you get complimentary chocolate when you go in first. Then there is this lot of chocolates, jar of chocolate, jamish melted chocolates. Then there is more chocolates, and then there is these where you can write things, customize on a sheet of chocolate, like anything you want for free. They're telling us. Then there is a big pile of chocolates everywhere. So that is all. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon. This is the camping station. This is the lake you can see, and you can see the Zurich town from this place, part of Zurich town.
Very beautiful. We stumbled across this place when we were driving and going back to our apartment from the
Lindt chocolate factory.
Lindt chocolate factory.
yes, lindt chocolate factory.
Thank you.
This lake is very beautiful, and then
Beside the lake,
yes,
see the beautiful houses.
beautiful houses over there.
Thank you.
So many beautiful houses, small, looks like the calendars we saw when we were children. And then here there is also many different types of boats sailing for fish. Thank you.
কি অবস্থা?
Okay, thank you.